Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the story of Greedy Dog. Once there lived a dog. He was very hungry. He wandered here and there in the search of food. He got a piece of meat from a butcher's shop. He took the piece of meat and ran away. He reached a river bridge. He saw his own shadow in the water. He thought that there was another dog with a bigger piece of meat in his mouth. His mouth watered. He wanted to snatch the piece of meat from him. He barked at him as he opened his mouth. His own piece of meat fell into the water.